Jane's learning how to drive. Look out, everybody.
We're on the hills.
Steep
We're
hill.
on the hills.
Steep hill. Looking for
Steep hills.
treasure, but
Looking for treasure.
caught.
Oh. But it looks like. Dito ako ngayon guys sa Filipino store. Finally. Sinigang.
At night, you can flash your lights. Depends on the circumstances. So corn.
Mission accomplished after 3 days. For today's video guys, sobrang daming ganap sa araw na ito. Nandito nga guys yung pamangkin ni Aaron. Walang pasok kaya nakapunta siya dito sa bahay ng lola at lolo niya. Sobrang bait ng batang ito at napakatalino din. Nagkaroon nga kami guys ng bonding moments. Pumunta nga kami guys sa theater para manood ng sine. Syempre tuwang-tuwa ako guys kasi first time kong manood ng movie dito sa US. Libre nga pala ito guys ng lola at lolo niya. Sobrang konti lang ng tao guys nung nanood kami. Wala pa kami yatang 10. Ang ganda ng kanilang upuan guys kasi pwede kang humiga. Super relaxing. Kung hindi mo naman bet yung movie guys, pwede kang matulog, magdala ka ng kumot at unan. So after ng movie, umuwi kami at nagluto ako ng lumpia. Yung natira namin ito nung nakaraan para matikman ni Addison yung pamangkin na Aaron. Nag-iisang pamangkin lang siya guys. So kinabukasan, driving school ko guys at kailangan ko pumunta sa school. So sumama silang lahat. Tamang-tama na rin at walang pasok si Aaron. So pagka-drop off nga nila sa akin ay pumunta sila sa mga bookstore at nag-ikot-ikot sila. Ito pala guys yung main campus ng school sa may Minnesota dito sa may St. Paul. Ito guys yung capital ng Minnesota. Medyo malayo sa amin kasi 1 hour yung biyahe. Sobrang laki ng campus nila dito for University of Minnesota tayon. So bali ito yung kabuuan ng kanilang university campus. Plan sana namin guys na pumunta sa pinakamalaking museum. Kaso sobrang daming tao at punuan yung parking. So sabi namin next time na lang. Tuwing punta nga namin dito guys sa may St. Paul ay dumadaan kami sa may Asian store. Ito naman guys is Filipino village. First time kong pumunta sa may Filipino store at yung mga biyanan ko at sila Aaron ay bumili din ng mga Filipino foods at gusto din nila ma-experience at ma-try yung mga pagkain sa Pilipinas. So bumili nga ito guys ng stick o yan naman yung para sa pamangkin niya. At nagustuhan nga nila kasi favorite niya yung strawberry. Ako naman guys yung binili ko is mga noodles at yung mga sinigang mix kasi na-miss ko nang magluto ng sinigang. Yung biyanan ko namang lalaki bumili siya ng sardinas kasi gusto niya matry yung sardines sa Philippines. After nga namin guys sa Filipino village ay dumiretso kami sa Thai cuisine, sa Thai restaurant. Yan kami nag-lunch. Sobrang sarap ng pagkain nila dito. So in-order nga namin guys is yung tiger roll, yung sushi. Kay Addison naman is noodles. Kay Aaron, sa akin is fried rice. Kay Aaron naman is yung chicken na may orange flavor. Sa biyanan ko na mga lalaki ay stir-fried broccoli na may beef. At sa may babae naman na biyanan ko ay para siyang may gata. Curry flavor. So, habang pauwi nga kami guys ay nadadaanan nga namin itong napakagandang mga trees na nag-change na ng color. Sobrang ganda nito. Ito yung mga pinapanood ko lagi guys pag nagbabiyahe kami. Very interested yung mga puno na nag-change ng color. Tinatawag nga nila ito guys na maple tree. Pretty and nice trees. What? Asawa? And what is it?
What is what?
This one.
Oh, that's the...
Lots of trees.
Oh yeah, that's the beginning of autumn or fall or whatever when the trees start to change colors. But yeah, so you can get the different colors of maple trees are always usually pretty good. Yeah, that's about all. I mean, elm trees, those are nice. They all kind of turn different colors. You got your deep reds. You guys, look at that orange one. Oh, nice. Yellow,
like purple.
Oh yeah, sometimes you get purple. Those are not as common, but
Oh, it's so pretty. It turns to yellow and orange. So we're in the park right now, guys, with my asawa. Just near on our house. Here. So nice. It's Aaron's off, so it's our. We will do geocaching.
Well, I don't know if there's any over here, but
It looks like nothing.
looks like nothing. Looks like something to me.
There's a river. There's a river.
Which river is this?
Ram River. It's cold. I like the weather.
It's really not that cold at all.
It's so windy here.
Hey, this used to be a bridge.
It's nice weather.
There used to be a bridge right across. Why don't we take the bridge down?
Aaron is trying to find a geocaching treasure in a park. Kind of dangerous here.
It is kind of dangerous here.
Look how high is this?
We didn't find any geocaches, but found a lovely day.
Sour.
And a lovely Asawa.
Oh, it's wet. What is that?
Deer poop.
Deer poop? It's like a
Chocolate covered raisins.
yeah, it's like a goat poop.
Down by the river again, a little off-road this time. Looking for a geocache.
I'm your geocaching. I'm your treasure.
Trying to track it, you can't really see it on my phone. We're getting closer though. We're moving up. It's up. There's no way. It's like up here somewhere. Oh, it's probably in that damn tree.
Probably there.
It's here somewhere. Yeah, it might be like right there.
Aaron found the geocaching treasure. Where? Oh yeah, that's the small one. Oh, that's so small. Treasure.
Found it.
Yeah. What's inside? Just there's
Just the
no
log.
no pen.
No, I don't have a pen.
Yeah, we don't have pen, but still we found
We're still
it.
gonna record that we found it.
Yeah. Every time we go for geocaching, we need to bring some stuff and pen.
Well, we have a pen in the truck. I just forgot it.
Yeah.
I'm really hungry and I would like to make dinner, but I got to do this first. So here we are sitting on the park bench. Look at this. We're trying to get that perfect picture. And it's just, sometimes you got to, oh, look, the light's not right there. So we got to, oh, look over there. Nope, I can't, look, what are you looking at that's so interesting? Well, I'm trying to see the pictures, trying to see how they're turning out. Well, back on the main road, or our road at least.
We will go over on the last road and go back home.
No, because you're going to have to take a left from here going into the driveway. Practicing on these roads back here that don't have any people on them. So you went over the line there, so you just need to smoothly go through the turn. You slowed down too much, and that's why you had to correct. The dreaded left turn.
I'm not good in left turn.
Not yet, but we'll get there.
Go?
Yeah. Why did you stop?
It's because
I told you gotta go into your turn now. We made it home in one piece. Alright, so now you're gonna swing out and pull in and then back up. So
Going there?
Yep, you go like how I do, like go out this way and then now turn in, turn. Okay, now stop and put the reverse. Okay, now you let the guide back you up. So now start. Remember, this is gonna help you, but check your mirrors too and make sure nothing's behind you. And now let off the brake.
I left off now.
Let off the brake, yep. And then kind of correct it. So you want to park over on this left side, so you got to correct a little bit. And keep going. Okay, now let it straighten out. There you go. Yep, now just go straight back. Are you off the brakes?
No
You gotta
more.
hit the gas a little bit now. Just a little bit. You gotta keep hitting it because we're going up a hill.
More gas?
Yeah. You gotta give it a little bit. Yep, you're fine. Keep going. There you go. Call it good there. Now stop. Put it in park. There you go. We made it.